how to manage truck and list management in the CAT payload of your next-gen small loaders. Now, next-gen small loaders feature 250 hours try before you buy. We have turned it on and we have calibrated it so we're ready to go to work. Now, as I come over to my primary display, I hit information. I'm going to turn on my Payload app. Now, once I do that, notice that we don't have any information below the truck or below the bucket. But if we push in that area, notice no materials are currently loaded, but we can fix that. So if we hit the little pencil, we can add material. So we're going to hit the plus button. Happen to have a combination of sand and gravel here. So let's go ahead and name this first material. We're going to call this sand, S-A-N-D, and we're going to hit OK. This is our primary material, so we're going to give it material as number 1, and we are going to give it a density at about 2,500. So that quickly, OK, we have set up sand. Now we also have gravel here, so let me hit plus, and we're going to add gravel below sand, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to name it gravel. And this is our second most moved commodity, so I'm going to do it number 2. And its density, we're going to be closer to 3,000 for some wet. And we're going to hit OK. And those two materials are now set up, but very important, we must now hit the store. And once we hit that store, yes, I would like to save those changes. And now notice underneath the bucket, as these are all applied, as I come back to my payload screen, I can choose sand, or if I come in here, I can choose gravel. So that quickly, with those two that we've set up, we have easy access to them. But of course, you can add more as needed. Now we can do the same thing under our truck list management. So currently no trucks. Let's hit the little pencil. Yes, I'd like to add some trucks. Please +1. And so now truck name, maybe this is a 5-ton truck. So we can come in here and we can do 5 ton. And we can hit OK. Maybe this is my most dominant truck. Let's have that as number 1. And target weight, similar to the way we've named it on this one, it's going to be 5. So yep, we're happy with that. And let's add a second truck. Hit the plus button. We're going to add this one below, and let's do a 10-ton truck. And these can be any names that you want, anything that makes sense for you and your business. So 10 ton, hit OK. Maybe this is the second most popular truck size, so I'm going to call that number 2. And target weight, similar to what we've named it, and this one, it's 10 tons. And now as we hit OK, to save those two, we do need to store it. So let's go ahead and store. Yes, please, save those 2 trucks. It's applying the settings. And as that all takes place, now inside of my main Payload app, I can choose the size of truck that I want. Of course, we've entered 2, but you can enter as many as you want. So that quickly, we've custom managed the lists. And as we do our work, as long as we show good discipline to change the material type, the truck type, as we store our work is done, those 2 lists will go along for the ride to help us track our production. Next Gen Small Loaders, CAT Payload, 250 hours, try before you buy. If you like it, if that adds value to your business, of course, you can turn this on as a lifetime subscription.